Hey there. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do this thing like this. You can see it. And I'm going to move this. So like this, or the thing like this. So basically, we're going to learn how to blur stuff from your video because you don't want to show your personal information, or you don't want to show somebody's face that you don't have permission to show in your videos, or you want to hide your license plates. Unfortunately, I don't have any license plates with me, but you get the idea. Let's jump into Premiere and I will show you what you need to do. Let's go. So I already imported our footage, and what we're going to do is we're going to park this somewhere like here. Okay. And what we're going to do next is we're going to go to the Effects tab and search for Fast Blur without E, and drag this to our clip. And you can see we have options to create a circle, to create a box, or a free draw tool. And for this particular case, we're going to use this box. And what we need to do next is we're going to match this box to our box here, the part that we want to be covered. And we have this mask feather option, and let's go and do something like this to feather it out. And we have the blurriness, so this will be responsible for blur. And let's set it to 0 at this point, and this is our tracking. So this will track 1 frame forward. If we click, you can see this little diamond here. It's tracking 1 frame at the time, and we're going to use this track selected mask forward, and it will track automatically. Let's go and let's stop. So you can stop, basically fine frame for stopping by. You can use this option to track forward, and you can stop at any point to see if the tracking is correct. So let's go forward, stop, and it's tracking pretty accurate right now. We don't need to be that much accurate with this thing. So we'll go forward. That's cool. Let's go a couple frames more. So you can see it's kind of losing the track, but again, we don't need to be too much accurate with this. So let's go forward, and you can see it's gone. It's out of frame and it's gone. And we can come here to this frame and we can track this back also. So we will have the whole part tracked. So let's stop there. It's tracking nice. Let's continue. That's okay. Let's go some more. Stop there. That's cool. It's okay. It's a bit off, but it's okay for us. Let's go back a bit. Finder. Let's go a bit more. And you can track any object like this. So it's a bit off here. Let's just make it so, and let's track it. Cool frames. Cool frames. Okay, that's fine. A bit. Let's refine the edges a bit, like so, and like so. And let's continue. And let's just stop it somewhere. It's tracking fine, and a couple of frames more, and yeah, and a bit more, and we're done. So let's just go back to our effect controls. So it's done. So let's see what we have here. So just select the mask and let's just blur it out. Like set the blurriness to 150 and let's play it back. So you can see perfectly tracked. So you can see that it is perfectly tracked and perfectly blurred out. And actually, if you want to stop this blur at some point, you can also create keys for blurriness. Like for example, if we want to like stop it somewhere here, let's just create a key there. Let's go one frame forward. Let's create a key and set this to 0. And you can see like it will come to that point and unblur itself. So you can do it as well. And basically for the face you can use this create ellipse mask, but I think you get the point, so let's end it up here. So guys, this is it for today's tutorial, and I want to thank you for all the comments and all the subs and all the support. We almost 60 subs and we keep growing, and it's awesome, and I want to say thank you for this, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye.